Hey guys, I'm back. It's Wayne again. I have a new video that I'm working on, okay? And let me see. This one is to answer, let me make sure I get her name right. This is for Teresa. Sorry, Teresa. It wasn't on top of my head. But a lot of people can benefit from this video. What it is that some people love their Oreck. This happens to be a Royal, which if you look, it's pretty much the same design as the Oreck XL. And after a while, you could be searching for this particular bag, for that Oreck XL bag, and it's not available, right? What some people have done is threw their vacuums out. In this case, Teresa was looking for about a year for a bag replacement, couldn't find it. So I was like, hey, Teresa, they actually have replacements. It may not be the same design, but there are replacement bags you can use. So what I want to do is show you first the difference between the two types of Oreck upright XL type of bags, and then what you can do if you want to just replace the outer bag. All right, so here we go. The first type is the non-docking system. Now, I'm not talking about the magnesium or the other infrared type Orecks. I'm just talking about the basic design Orecks that look like this, okay? Or even this newer style, that the Elevate style that looks like this. But the mechanism for the bags are about the same. All right, let me show you what I mean. So you have the non-docking bag and you have the docking bag. The docking meaning that you have this cartridge here that you will slide your bag into and then, pop it in. A lot easier, right? But then you also have the non-docking, right? Which you just take your bag and snap it on and you're good to go, okay? This is a lot more secure, obviously, so some people prefer this style. But if this is what you have and you're stuck, don't feel bad. Don't feel like you have to throw anything away. Now, this is what I mean. All right, so let's start with this. If you notice, right, gosh, I don't have my screwdriver. Hey, a quick reminder, you can order these outer bags at our website. See the links below. Like magic, I'm back. I got my screwdriver. All right. Really, there's a few similarities with these, but there is a specific difference, okay? If your dock looks like this, okay, that means you're using this style of bags specifically for non-docking, okay? All right? If your dock has this kind of opening, then you're using the CC bags, okay? But the outer bags can interchange, right? But the disposable bags, you want to use the disposable bags that's designed for your spout here, okay? But let's talk about these disposable bags and how to change them. All right, here we go. Now this metal clip right here, we're gonna take this off. Okay, see that? Using this little screwdriver, comes right out. Think about it. For the docking, this is the difference you're gonna do, right? Let's take this bag out for a second. Let's take out this bag, all right? Here's how the docking works if you want to do the same thing I just did, which is remove your clip holder. This holds the bag in place, okay? All you have to do is you're gonna squeeze this bottom piece right here, squeeze it so this dock can come right out. See that? You just squeeze this little thing right here, comes right out. Now, instead of me using the screwdriver and prying it off, I can just kind of open it and it comes right off. Does the job. Both of them are doing the same job. Now let's go back over to the non-docking. So now I can just pull this off, okay, if I need to replace my bag. See that? Now this one has a little strap in the back. This is a Royal, so this has a little strap, which is a good idea actually. See this little Velcro? I like this bag for that reason. Let me take off the Velcro strap. See that? Now at the bottom of most Oreck bags, you're gonna have a clip, a little metal. See this right here? A little metal clip All right, I'm just using this Royal as a stand-in because I don't have a XL on hand. But if you notice, this is, you just took the bag right off. So here is a replacement. Okay. I'm gonna put a replacement, a generic replacement. So if you can't find your Oreck with, with the name Oreck across, and all the nice fancy designs, if they don't sell it anymore, again, what I'm saying is don't feel like you've been abandoned or something, okay? So now here's a replacement bag. What you do now is you do the same thing in reverse. You're gonna snap it all the way in till it passes all the ridges, okay? You get your clamp and you just push down. See that? And you lock it in, and now you have your replacement bag in place, and you put your your clips. There's normally if you have an other Oreck, you will have like a plastic I don't want to call it a plate, but it's gosh, it takes the place of this. You know what I'm talking about if you have Oreck, okay? Don't leave notes at the bottom. You don't know the name in the comments, But it takes the place of this little hook that you're gonna hook. This one has the hook. This one doesn't have the hook. So you would use that clamp. Okay, it's a plastic clamp, and then you can use your hook and lock it in place, all right? This was made on the fly because I really wanted to get this video out for Teresa, okay? Now, so this is it. So now if I wanted to, and let's say it was standing nice and firm like this, this would be my replacement, okay? All right? Now, look at this. Take a look at this. If, let's say, for example, I wanted to add the docking mechanism to this bag. The docking mechanism actually works the same way. Look, see the shape? See? It locks it in. All the same. The only difference is, again, remember that spout? There's a difference in the opening from that. And if, see this? This will lock this in all the same too. They literally just made the same design. The only difference is this, the top of this is a little broader than up here. But you get the drift, all right? So hopefully if you're at home and you're looking to do this, you can change these things out without feeling like you're stuck. All right? I hope this video was able to help you. Let me take this off now because I have to put all this stuff back. And it allows you to see me do it all over again in a different way. I gotta put all these back now. Let me put this up here. Watch this. I'm gonna lock this in. Giving you a second take on this. Okay. Look at that. Oh no, this is a different one. This one is dirty. Look. Imagine I put this on the floor. Someone would be upset if they bought it from me. All right, here, let's put this on. Okay. All right, I'm gonna lock it in. See that? Put your bag in here. And voila, close this up. Okay. And I'm gonna lock the latch at the bottom, and this is up and running. Now let me put the docking system back on this newer Oreck. Okay. If you want, you can just snap that in, kind of open it some. Yeah, come on. Here we go. Okay, that's there. All right, so now the pointy, the little pointy part of the thing is facing up. So this way it won't work this way. So it's facing up, just remember that, all right? And just put one side in, squeeze it, and you can, there you go, right? And when you're putting your bag in, You slide your bag into the dock like this, all the way down so that pointy part can hook the bag. And then you just push it in. I like to push it in the center to make sure I lock it and you hear everything snap. I like to kind of secure it here. That's in. All right, so I hope that was able to help. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. And I'll try to have some more videos out for you guys. All right, bye-bye.